सो दो क्वेश्चंस हैं, एक व्हाट्सएप पे आया है हम लोग के पास एंड एक फाजल करीम ने मीट पे भेजा है। तो फाजल करीम इज आस्किंग, विल कोडिंग बी नीडेड टू एनहांस आवर वेबसाइट्स एंड सॉफ्टवेयर इन द फ्यूचर और इज नो कोड द फ्यूचर? डू यू थिंक नो कोड कैन रिप्लेस कोडिंग?
Yes, like in the future, like lots of programmers, like great programmers, they are helping. Like basically, they are basically creating no code tools. Like because only few people know how to code. So like no code, basically they know, like they want to empower people to build software product with no code tools. Yeah. So that is why they are building no code tools. So yeah, up to certain extent, yes, but it will, like in the next 10 or 20 years it will, I guess.
And जो WhatsApp, that's great, Sahil. Thank you for answering. I hope Fazal, if you have any follow-up questions, please do share on the Meet chat. किसी और को भी कोई questions हो, feel free to share. तो WhatsApp पे जो questions साहिल आया है वो ये है कि I am learning coding because job market इतना expansive है. तो क्या no code के लिए भी jobs available हैं मार्केट में, या फिर इज इट मोर की ठीक है पर्सनल वैलिडेशन के लिए हम लोग नो कोड यूज कर रहे हैं, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू गोइंग इनटू द मार्केट एंड अप्लाइंग फॉर हाई पेड जॉब्स, no code is not there yet?
So recently, wait, I will share, like yes, so like people, which one, wait, I forgot. So like lots of startups are hiring also no code specialist. Like one is Credo AngelList. I know this startup is hiring recently. Wait, if you see, mm, okay, jobs, I guess this will be, ये नहीं है, Credo है.
It's all right. What is the point that you are trying to make?
So like lots of startups are hiring.
Right. Even on Internship, I saw a lot of applications where they wanted interns who knew how to use block coding.
Yeah. And
Right.
basically, most of the people learn, like if you want to freelance, then you can take a project. And like lots of people are charging $5,000, $10,000 for building website.
For
So
building a no code website.
yeah, so like but using Webflow. So like there are some website in which you can, it is hard. So like see, I was talking about this only. So like one startup is hiring no code creator. If you see, like on Angel List it is, so it is not fake. 10 lakh to 25 lakh, 0.1 to 0.3% equity. So like lots of startups, they are paying huge to no code creators also.
All right, Sahil, that really helps. किसी और को यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग ज्वाइन हैं क्वेश्चंस हैं क्या? By the way, I am a coder myself and I have always been of the opinion कि block coding, by the way, is no code more than block coding, or are those interchangeable terms?
So like it is more than, because you need to learn basically how to design also. Like if you use like if you don't know how to design, then like basically you need to learn. You need to also learn basically how to design stuff. Like it is not exactly block coding, uh, but yeah. So up to like certain extent, yes.
All right. So Sahil, यहाँ पे जो हम लोग के साथ students जुड़े हुए हैं, I'm sure a lot of them would be interested in starting their journey in this no code world. So you have given a lot of tools which can be used, but let's say I want to get started today. What would you recommend? How do I get started? What would be a good journey so that I reach to the top and I'm able to build my own advanced no code website soon instead of getting lost in all the chaos
So, like,
resources?
so there are lots of no-code tool. You can start with Notion, and then basically you can create templates, and then after you can build a mobile app using Glide or Adalo, and then you can create a, because don't start building with Bubble and Webflow. Those are some advanced tool.
Would you
So
recommend starting with video tutorials, or would you recommend simply jumping into these tools?
so like first you can watch video tutorial and familiar with the interface, basically know all the stuff, and then you can build website on your own.
And then which platform would you recommend to the newbies or the ones who are starting out?
So like first I would say first learn Notion, and then learn how to create a landing page using card, and then learn how to create
Sahil,
the
did you
mobile app.
mention Notion as in Notion.so?
Yes, sir. Notion.
Isn't it simply an advanced text editor?
So like it is also a no code tool. You don't need to code. So like basically used for project management or literally everything. So it is very useful. Basically you can use to create a template.
Right.
Super. So like there are lots of website that helps. Like you can build simple websites with Notion, but you need to know Notion first. So like this is one of the like you can, if you want to build website but no, with Notion, then you can also try this tool.
Right.
If you see Showcase, then like people have built lots of good stuff, like Islo personal website. So like with Notion and Super, so he has built this website. So you can easily showcases. Mm, it is very easy. So like these tools super, so it is created after like Notion was created, like, and custom domain themes, password protection, so like no code required, you can easily build using super. So like there are lots of no code tools.
So Fazil Karim is back with a question, and he's asking a very interesting question. I think a lot of students here would be interested. Will there be a session where we learn designing, creating a no-code dynamic website by Sahil? So,
Sure. Sure, sir, I would be happy.
do have you conducted such sessions previously? I know
Yes.
Malbani sir had conducted some students, and you had already taught them how to build their website or something, if I remember correctly.
Yeah, I have also conducted, like we run a, like we have a community
Mm-hmm.
on Discord, like lots of for people who wants to learn no code tools. So like we did around every week a session and we taught them, we
Sahil,
taught.
can you share the Discord community link here on the Meet chat?
Yes, sir. Mm,
तो जिन लोग I hope most of you are already familiar with Discord. जहाँ Discord is basically a platform जहाँ पे communities come together, and अगर आप गेमिंग कर रहे हो, कुछ सीखना चाह रहे हो, कुछ भी कर रहे हो, which can be done through a community driven network. That's where Discord comes in, and Sahil has been running Maker School HQ majorly through Discord, and it has been a really wonderful journey. तो please do join ये Discord की community का link जो साहिल यहाँ पे share कर दे रहा है.
yes.
And can you tell a little about this Discord community you guys have been
Okay,
doing?
sir.
So like for people who wants to learn, like lots of people from different countries join, and like basically if you have any question regarding which no code tool to use, like if you're facing any difficulty using any no code tool, you can ask any question and people are happy to help anytime.
So one more question asked by Preetham Matari is some resources to learn no code. I think आपकी PPT में बहुत कुछ covered है, but still I think
Yes sir, वो अभी बाकी है, like
okay.
wait.
Please go ahead.
So like these are some tutorials. So if you want to learn Notion, so click on this, and then I will share the PPT after, and then so like so click on Notion tutorial, and then you will see this, and so like it is a ultimate Notionpedia. So everything you need to know about Notion in a single page. If you are a new user, then click on basic. Like first copy this, duplicate this template on your Notion. Continue, like uh, if you click on Notion tutorial, and then you can duplicate this template on your page. So I have duplicated this template. So after duplicating, you will use Notion, use a workspace to duplicate into.
Sahil, it was very surprising for me to find out that you recommended Notion for website development. I wasn't sure that it could be used, but we went ahead and built docs.morethanmarks.org, जो हम लोग की official अभी website चल रही है. That is built on Notion, but it still gives me the look and feel of more
Yes, sir.
of a text editor instead of a website. If you can go
Yeah.
ahead
So
with it.
like lots of what basically no code tools are doing, they are using basically Notion, like two tools, Notion plus SuperSo. Like SuperSo is useful for designing websites and all that. So basically they use Notion to like mostly yes. Wait, I will share.
Sahil, while it's opening, it would be one. Acha, okay, it's open. Please go ahead.
So like this is everything you need to know about Notion. So like if you click on, I will share this PPT after. So if you click on Notion tutorial and then duplicate this template, and if you want to learn any basic, so there are lots of basically for users there are videos in which you can watch and like basically you can learn Notion. And when you learn, then you can check mark this and then
Wonderful.
pages. So like these are new users, normal users, and expert users. So if you want to learn Notion for these people, you can also reach out to and you can see what they built with Notion. So these are some stuff. So like first start with I will share this PPT and then click on Notion tutorial and you will come to this page and then you can start with like basics page, icon cover template, quick find mention, and then go to normal users, then expert users. So like basically they have lots of videos if you want to learn databases. Then like there are like lots of videos.
तो नोशन पे ये थोड़ा सा एक इशू होता है कि व्हेन यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियो कंटेंट तो वो बफर करने में बहुत टाइम लगा देता है समटाइम्स.
Yeah.
But still, I mean, I think anybody can build a Notion website in less than 1 or 2 minutes,
Yeah.
1 or 2 days,
And
and
like people what people are building any like basically people are creating templates and selling on Gumroad. So
okay,
this is
wow.
yeah. So like one of my friend made around $10,000 in 2 or 3 months by creating Notion templates.
So साहिल, हम लोग जिन बच्चों को मोर देन मार्क्स पे पढ़ाते हैं उनका भी बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट रहा है फ्रीलांस में, बट व्हेनेवर दे हैव ट्राइड व्हाट दे हैव फाउंड इज कि टू गेट द फर्स्ट freelance project is the hardest part of the entire freelance journey. And then we hear stories like somebody earned $10,000 in 2 to 3 months. How
Yeah.
do you think this
So
happens?
like yeah, so basically they are creating content on social media helping people, and what they do is like you need to also learn marketing, and so like they give away stuff for free and then collect emails. Like if I have created any then they basically some growth X like reply with waving hand and I will DM you. So like for this they are collecting all the emails and then they are using like these emails when they are building something, launching something, so more people will buy.
Lakshman in the meet chat has said कि sir basically portfolio client check करते हैं, इसलिए portfolio हमारा strong होना चाहिए. But वही बात है कि when you are starting with your first project उस वक्त portfolio नहीं होता है. तो Sahil, what's your suggestion for the first
सर
time?
मैं चाहिए तो
Yeah, so like basically आपका कोई भी एक USP होना चाहिए. Like if any advanced person are charging more more, then like if you're less experienced then you can charge less, so that is a USP basically. So in that way you can basically if you're charging less then people will come to you.